Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll to find sounds and vibration. Now let's scroll down again to find the whole ringtone section, and as you can see, we can change the ringtone for calls. This option is divided between 2 different SIM cards, which is quite a cool option, but also we can change it for messaging tone or notification tone. So let me show you how to do it using the phone ringtone. As you can see here, we can switch between the SIM cards, and here all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find the full list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. As you can see at the very bottom, we've got the option None, which means that after picking it, your device simply won't notify you with the sound feedback about the incoming call from my case, the first SIM card. What's more, here you've got the option Music on Device or Video Ringtones, which is also quite cool because here, after tapping on the Music on Device, your device will transfer you to your own files. For example, downloaded. Of course, if they will be compatible, they will appear right here, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back, and as you can see here, you've got the My Ringtone section, so simply you can check what kind of ringtone you've got set. So let me pick something from the preset, from the defaultly installed ringtones, and if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds before picking it, all you have to do is to simply tap on it, and let me volume it down a little bit. So this is how to check the ringtone. What's more, you will also feel the vibration. As you can see at the very top, we've got the vibration option, so you will be able to turn it off or decide what kind of vibration you want to feel. As I said, all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set, and you'd like to check and tap on it. And if you're ready, if you're happy with your choice, if you'd like to set, for example, this neon, in my case, just make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked and get back. And as you can see, after getting back to this ringtone section, you can see that for the first SIM card, we just successfully changed the ringtone. It is notified, so it means that your device will use it whilst all incoming calls. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.